Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best kayak accessories is probably one of the most exciting ways to upgrade your kayaking experience. From safety equipment to comfort-enhancing gadgets, the right accessories can significantly improve your time on the water. Whether you're a seasoned paddler or a beginner, having the essential gear can make your trips more enjoyable, safe, and efficient. So, let's dive into some must-have kayak accessories that every enthusiast should consider. Number 5. Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100 Fishing Kayak. This kayak is built with UV-protected high-density polyethylene, ensuring durability. It features multiple footrest positions to accommodate different riders, and a stable flat-bottom design. Enjoy a comfortable ride with the adjustable padded seat back and seat pad. It comes equipped with 2 flush-mounted and 1 top-mounted fishing rod holders, perfect for anglers. The kayak includes a paddle and a paddle keeper with shock cords for easy storage. It also offers 2 6-inch storage compartments in the rear and center to store your gear. The sharp bow enhances speed and tracking capabilities. The skeg allows for straight paddling, and the deep hull tracking channels further improve performance on the water. Transporting this kayak is made easy with the front and rear T-handles. This feature allows for convenient carrying and moving the kayak to and from the water. What we like. This kayak is built to last, thanks to its UV-protected, high-density polyethylene construction. It also offers multiple footrest positions, ensuring a comfortable ride for paddlers of all sizes. If you are looking for a kayak that can withstand the elements and provide a stable and comfortable experience, this is the one for you. What people say. This kayak is so far best purchase I've made this year. It's sturdy and has everything you need for fishing on a kayak. It's fun for all ages, comfy with the adjustable seat, the design is sturdy and well made, and for a kayak this is probably one of the cheaper options, but it doesn't lack in quality. Tamarack Angler 100 is my go-to for peaceful fishing days. It's stable, comfy, and easy to haul in and out of the water. This is a great kayak. This is very stable and I have used it in choppy water. The kayak tracks well, and is fast for big wide flat fishing kayak. Number 4. Wilderness Systems Kayak Crate with 4 rod holders. This is the Wilderness Systems Kayak Crate. It's designed to keep your tackle organized and accessible on the water. It is perfect for kayak and boat anglers. The crate features a large main compartment for storing all your essential gear. This provides ample space for tackle boxes, food, and other items you need for a day on the water. The lid of the crate also provides additional storage space. You can use it to keep frequently used items within easy reach. It's a convenient feature for quick access to your gear. It comes standard with 4 rod holders. This allows you to keep your rod secure and ready for action. It's a great feature for anglers who like to have multiple rods rigged. The crate is water-resistant when latched closed, protecting your gear from the elements. This helps keep your equipment dry and safe, even in wet conditions. It has universal lash-down points for easy and secure attachment to your kayak or boat. This ensures the crate stays in place, even in rough water. It comes with brackets to raise the position of the rod holders. This accommodates narrow tankwells. It's designed for easy setup, with no assembly required. What we like. This crate offers a large main compartment and comes standard with 4 rod holders, perfect for anglers. It's also water resistant, keeping your gear safe from splashes. If you are an avid fisherman looking to organize your tackle and keep your rod handy, this is a must-have accessory. What people say. It's extremely durable and has plenty of space and organization for all my fishing needs. It perfectly fits my kayak and leaves room to spare in the canoe. Well made, perfect size, can strap this thing down from every corner. Number 3. Dry bag with solar speaker and light. This is the ultimate companion for your outdoor adventures. It's a waterproof dry bag with a built-in solar-powered Bluetooth speaker and LED light. It keeps your gear safe and dry. This bag can now act as a power bank. It has a built-in wireless Bluetooth speaker, compatible with all mobile phones. You can enjoy music while hiking, and never feel bored. The dry bag also features a multicolor LED light. It provides a wonderful lighting show when playing music and can be used as a night light or outdoor light. There is also an SOS mode for emergencies. The bag has a solid roll-top closure system for a secure watertight seal. It's IP66 waterproof rated and made of rugged 500D PVC. The bag can float, so you won't lose track of your gear. You can charge it under direct sunlight via the solar panel or use the micro USB port. The flexible charging method brings convenience when used outdoors. A cable is included, but the charger is not. Simply put your gear in the bag, roll the top down tightly 3 to 5 times, and then plug the buckle to complete the seal. Make sure to roll it tightly for the best waterproof performance. What we like. This dry bag has a built-in Bluetooth speaker and multicolored LED light, turning your kayaking trip into a party. It also features solar and USB charging, ensuring your music never stops. If you like to enjoy music and light shows while you paddle, this bag is the perfect companion. What people say. Perfect size, it floats and lets me play my music while kayaking. I appreciate the safety lights in case of emergency. I had no issues with leaking, easy to use. Love the fact that it's waterproof and charges nice with the sun or port. The clear black color makes it easy to see what I have inside. The size is perfect for all you need for the lake, so easy to use and connect to, and is built very good, had no water enter at all. It seems very functional as a dry bag. The speaker is a nice addition. I was able to get a charge going on my phone, and the lights are a very welcome safety device on our boat. Number 2. Bungee Dock Line, 2-pack boat dock lines. These bungee dock lines are designed to make docking simple. They are available in multiple sizes and strengths to fit a variety of boats, ensuring a secure hold every time. Available in 4 feet, 5 feet, and 6 foot lengths, these lines have a heavy-duty tensile strength. They are perfect for boats up to 4,000 pounds, making them ideal for pontoons, jet skis, and more. Docking is now hassle-free with these boat ropes. Simply slip the eyelets over the cleats and secure them. The sliding ends allow for easy adjustments, providing a secure hold. The elastic design eases wave pressure on your cleats. This reduces sudden jolts and prolongs the life of your boat. This feature ensures your vessel stays stable and protected. Each set includes small foam bumpers that float if dropped. This ensures that the lines are easy to retrieve and won't sink out of reach. It's a worry-free solution. These marine rope solutions adapt to various vessels with ease. They are durable enough for everyday use. It's a practical gift for anyone seeking dependable performance on the water. What we like. These dock lines come in multiple sizes and feature built-in shock absorption, protecting your boat from sudden jolts. They also include floating bumpers, making retrieval easy. If you are looking for a hassle-free and secure mooring solution, this is the perfect choice for your kayak. What people say. It keeps the boat from hitting the edge of boat dock when boats go by. Also, it helped the boat stay in place, and my dock is the only one that didn't have damage. It's great as its pads help protect my kayak from being bumped against the dock while it's not in use. I leave my kayak in the water and these are super easy to take on and off. Number 1. Perception Splash Tankwell Cooler for Kayaks. This cooler is designed to fit within the open storage area of most sit-on-top kayaks. It's a versatile tool for your everyday adventures. You can easily bring it with you. With 1 2-inch insulating foam, this cooler keeps your drinks and food cold all day long. It has a 40L capacity, which can hold up to 20 cans with ice. A zippered opening on top provides the ultimate convenience when accessing your drinks and food. It's easy to open and close, so you can quickly grab what you need. It features adjustable backpack-style shoulder straps and a strong haul handle for easy portage. This makes it easy to carry, even when it's fully loaded. The low-profile shape minimizes the impact of wind. This design helps to keep you stable while you are on the water. What we like. This cooler features 1 2-inch insulating foam to keep your drinks and food cold all day, and a convenient zippered opening for easy access. It also has adjustable shoulder straps for easy portage. If you like to have cold drinks and snacks on your kayak trips, this cooler will make your day. What people say. Can easily hold a case of refreshments and still have plenty of room for a large bag of ice. Fits perfectly in my kayak. Fits perfect in my kayak as well as stays cold for hours. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.